Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot integration errors in Gusto. Sometimes tech just doesn't play nice. Now if you're seeing sync issues or error messages when using Gusto with other tools, like accounting software or time trackers, don't panic. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix common integration errors. Step 1. Identify the error. So first, take note of any error messages. Gusto usually gives a description in code like sync failed or permission denied, stuff like that. Now this is your first clue about what exactly has gone wrong. Step 2. Check connection settings. Now go to apps and integrations and then select the affected app. Now you're going to double click that you're signed in correctly, double check that you're signed in correctly and that the integration is still active. And then if your login credentials changed recently, you may need to re-authenticate. Step 3. Review permissions. Now some errors happen because the app doesn't have the right access. So make sure the app has permission to pull or push the data it needs, especially payrolls, employees, or time tracking data. Step 4. Update software on both sides. Now make sure both Gusto and the third-party app are up to date. If the apps recently changed its API or released a new version, you may need to reconnect or reconfigure the integration. Step 5. Disconnect and reconnect. Now if nothing else works, try removing the integration entirely and reconnecting it from scratch. This often resets any broken links between these systems. Step 6. Contact support. So if you're still stuck, Gusto support team and the third-party apps help desk can both step in. Be ready to share any screenshots or error logs because that will help to speed up the troubleshooting process. Integration errors are frustrating, but they are usually fixable with a few smart checks. Now you're ready to keep everything synced and running smoothly again. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.